So Jiva Goswami, he has some comment on this verse number 3. He says this verse describes the gopis' absorption in Krishna, and that's certainly desirable. We would like to be so absorbed in Krishna that we're mad. I pray for that. In the material world, no one prays to cry. Oh, please, I want to cry. Make me cry. No one prays for agony, and no one prays for lamentation. No one prays for this misery. Or no one prays for madness. Does anyone pray, oh God, please bless me, I go mad. Then everybody will really like me. I'll be so popular and have so many friends and have such a good time in society. When I get locked up in solitary confinement in a psychiatric hospital. But this is what we find in the Gaudiya Vaishnava, that Raghunath Das is praying for and experiencing nothing but lamentation, and all their Goswamis are rolling on the banks of Yamuna and Shamakun and Radhakun crying, Ha Radhe Vraja-bhumi Chalalite. They're only crying. When you read about the siddhas and the perfected devotees that have attained perfection in Bhakti Bhajan, or showing that example of sadhana siddha, what are they showing? They're crying, they're lamenting, they're mad. And they are exemplars. They are our role models that we should strive to become like them. Yes, I want to cry all day, and I want to lament, and I just want to pull my hair out, and I want to go mad.